Hi everyone, this is a video about this Cartier lighter that is very rare, and this is in the range. This is one of the most expensive one, as you can adjust it from here. The flame, it can be adjusted from here, and then you can change the flint through here and refill the gas from here. And you just have to open this with your nail. I open them both and I show it to you. Here you can fill in the gas, and after all these years, the first time that this one was made, it was in 1970s, and that's why makes this lighter very rare and in the range, because you can adjust the gas from here. And after all these years, as this one is Swiss made and gold plated, still they shot perfectly, and this one even clicks if you listen. So, and this one is just for turning with your nail and adjusting the gas, the size of the flame. And this one called Trinity because of this ring that it has here, and it comes in different colors, but this one is red, and somehow is one of my favorite lighters, and I found it and I thought, okay, let's make a video out of this, because there's still some people, they don't know how to fill in the gas or change the flame size and the flint, if they don't have obviously access to the instruction manual. But this one works perfectly after all these years, is battered and bruised, and as I mentioned, this one is the most expensive one in this range, because you can adjust the flame from here, but it has a very weak point, and the weak point is this knob that I show you shortly after showing you how it works. You open it and then strike the flint, and the flame, it comes on, and then when you shut it, look at the flint striker there, that is goes on top of the flame and shuts off the gas and the top. Anyhow, I had a problem with this, and I had to cough up some money to buy the internal gas tank that is situated here, there, like so. And because the knob at the end of here, which is that, had broken, and still you could operate this with a screwdriver to just put it in there and then turn it around, but this knob was missing and it was really ugly. So, and because I love this lighter a lot, I changed this. The other models that they are lesser expensive than this one, it doesn't have this adjustment knob here, and I have the tank here. I can show it to you. Let me put this here and I show you. This one is the one that is in here, and this one is for other models that you cannot adjust the gas readily from here, but still you can adjust the gas through here. And the disadvantage is you have to open everything via this knob, and then everything comes out, and then you turn this to your desired flame size and then push everything back in. Anyhow, These tanks prices, they vary from 70 pounds up to 120 pounds, and they are very expensive. They are original Cartier, and it's written all over it. So that's it. And this one is gold plated, but some of them they are not. They are just silver plated or just metal or some other design. But this one, I really love it. After all these years, it still is working. And the way to know which side is up, you have this Cartier sign here. You know when you are left-handed, right-handed, you should see this sign, and then you open it like so. And when you are left-handed, it has to be on this side, and then you just do it like so. Anyhow, but this one is, I think it designed for the right-handed people, because with the left hand is a little bit difficult to just do this. So this is supposed to be a short video about this Cartier Trinity lighter, and the price of this varies from 100 pounds up to 200, sometimes 250 pounds if it comes in the box. But this one is well used, but it has been loved enough to spend a lot of money to fix it. So I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.